Hey, welcome back to Lava Tools. Today I'm looking at Diablo versus Milwaukee on their Spade Bit sets. Diablo's got a 16 piece that comes with a pouch, DSP 2980-S16, and then the Milwaukee is a 13 piece that comes on a little rack that you can screw into the wall. Both have good sizes. The Diablo goes up to the 1.5 inches, whereas the Milwaukee only goes to 1 inch. They both fit on the standard impact drill with quick release. If you notice, they've got a little bit of a different design. One's got a little screw end, the other one's kind of flat and simple. You can see they're both 3/4, and yet the heads are about approximately the same. The Diablo comes in a red pouch, opens up, and it's really nice. You got all your different spade bits. I noticed that on both of them, as you put them in the drill, they both kind of wobble a little bit. So what I did was I tested both of them. So I'm doing the Diablo first and trying to keep track of time. It's about 7 seconds. Whereas the Milwaukee, like I said, also has the little mountable rack that it fits in. It tends to wobble too on the impact drill, as you can see on the video here. And when I drilled it, it was also about the same. It was about 7 seconds. So, one-handed, not a lot of pressure, but you notice the Milwaukee's got a much cleaner cut than the Diablo. And on the sides, tried the Diablo a couple times, and then I tried the Milwaukee a couple more times, and pretty much got the same result. Now, this is just a standard 2x4, nothing special. And then I tried it, and I tried the Diablo with the 3/8 size and with the 7/16, and pretty much got the same result. So if you're looking for something quick and easy, the Diablo's fine. But if you're looking for something that's clean, precise, you might want to think about the Milwaukee. Price range is about the same. They're right around $20, and you can catch the Diablo on special. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks.